Today's going to be Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure, but the first thing that you always want to do is take a picture of where you parked. So we're in Spider-Man. And again, always try to make sure that you have some really good pictures, make sure it's clear, make sure that your phone actually took the picture of where you parked so that you don't get lost. Many years ago, many years ago, I ended up walking this whole lot with my girlfriend. It was the first time that we came here, and we forgot to take a picture, and we forgot where we parked. So let me just say that it wasn't fun. We were kind of laughing and crying at the same time because we had to walk every single aisle of every single level of this parking garage to find a car. And it was actually both parking garages that we walked, or whatever it was. So yeah, I think it took about 3 hours to find the cars. And you can see over there across the way, that's the other parking garage. And this is the view outside from this garage. You can see over that way is City Walk. And again, one of the best things to do is somewhere about halfway, make another video of the signs where you are, or take some more pictures so that you know where to turn and where to go. And the moving walkway is not moving today. I'm just gonna walk it. It always feels strange riding, or should I say walking the moving walkway when it's not moving. And of course, something to keep in mind that when you enter, you're going to be going through a weapons detector. So you can't have anything on you that's a weapon. I don't think I needed to say that. But you can't have any weapons, and pretty much everything has to go through the weapons detector. Anything that's in your pockets has to go through. So just be ready for it. You gotta toss your stuff in a bucket. Okay, after you pass security, this is next. This moving walkway is not moving. Not today.
Approaching. Please, watch your step.
I got a moving one.